Harwin was formed in 1952 and set up as a turning shop, making high precision components for the electrical industry. These components are still core to the values of what we do here at Harwin. We are now one of the largest employers in the local area. High reliability and performance is key to our customers. We've developed contact technology that is able to survive the extremes of shock and vibration. Our connectors are used in some of the most extreme environments: space, up in the air and under the sea. Harwin have been working with staff for over 20 years. Apprenticeships are a core value of what we do. We're working with STAR on site so that STAR engineers come in and train our apprentices.
In consulting with Harwin, we selected the LNS Tryton because of its capability of handling small diameter bar. STAR have been using LNS MH swarf conveyors for many years. They developed a brand new version for our new machines here at Harwin, and it suits Harwin's production process.
The Tryton system and the MH conveyor allow us to run lights out.
We have a very strong relationship with LNS, with over 20 years experience with them. This makes a very trusted partnership, making our lives a lot easier. All of this ultimately benefits the end user.
The machines are top class in their field and have been essential to the growth of Harwin. This turn product is a core aspect of our business. We would highly recommend STAR and LNS.